The 2025 Porsche stands as a remarkable fusion of engineering precision, luxury, and futuristic design. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the car exudes a commanding presence with its sleek silhouette, signature LED headlights, and aerodynamic contours. The attention to detail is evident in every curve and panel, showcasing Porsche's unwavering commitment to craftsmanship and performance. Inside, the cabin reflects a perfect blend of high-tech innovation and refined luxury. The digital dashboard, intuitive infotainment system, and high-quality materials elevate the driving experience. Seats are ergonomically designed for comfort, even at high speeds, and the ambient lighting adds a modern yet cozy touch to the interior. Whether you're on a long drive or maneuvering through city streets, the car provides a sense of control and comfort that few can match. Performance-wise, the 2025 Porsche delivers thrilling acceleration, responsive handling, and smooth gear transitions. The latest engine and electric drivetrain options offer both power and efficiency, making it ideal for both enthusiasts and eco-conscious drivers. Its precise steering and adaptable suspension ensure stability across different terrains and driving styles. Safety is also a strong point, with advanced driver assist features, 360-degree cameras, and automatic braking enhancing both confidence and convenience. Every ride feels secure yet exhilarating. Overall, the 2025 Porsche redefines what it means to drive a modern sports car. It's not just about speed, it's about the experience, the emotion, and the legacy that comes with the Porsche badge. A true masterpiece in motion.